Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tionna Michelle here. So today I took a break from the cleaning videos and I am bringing you a DIY, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this simple Valentine's candy flower bouquet. Everything I got was from Dollar Tree, so stay tuned for the video to see how I created it. Here I'm just showing you all of the supplies that you'll need. I'll also list them down in the description box. Some of the supplies are optional, such as the vinyl and the adhesive rhinestones. I would not suggest the vinyl. It did not work for me, but it may work for you. So first I'm going to apply the vinyl to my box. I couldn't find a box that was red or pink or a Valentine's Day theme, so I'm using a happy birthday box. I did not measure, but I suggest that you do measure so that you'll get an accurate cut of the vinyl. So here I'm just applying the vinyl. As you can see, I had a hard time getting it to stick. It just would not stay on. So in the end, I did have to glue down the edges with the glue gun. So next I'm going to insert the floral foam into the box. I didn't measure, I just eyed it, but if you want, you can measure. Also, I did not glue the floral foam down, but you can if you want. I didn't glue it down so I can use this box for a different project. So now I'm just cutting down the flowers, and I cut down the flowers to the height of the box. So now I'm gonna insert the candy the way I want to. I glued some to the edge of the box, and I'm also going to glue some to the skewers, but you can position yours any way you'd like. So now I'm just going to continue gluing down the candy to the edge of the box on the inside, and then after that I'm going to insert the skewers. I do apologize for the angle. I didn't realize that I was out of the frame. So I cut the skewers down to the height that I would prefer, and then I glued the candy to the very top of the skewer. So after inserting all of the candy, I'm just going to use my heart picks as fillers. And here's the final look of my candy flower bouquet. I did add the rhinestones as an extra embellishment. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.